Port authorities have confiscated a shipping container loaded with military-grade weapons worth millions of dollars. The shipment came from Central Europe. Just how it got into the country isn't clear. Police say this is part of a larger sting operation, but wouldn't elaborate.
The hell? Hey, at least be careful with it. What the...
Oh. Come on. Keep on driving. Keep on driving. ATM, right? Oh, cool, motorcycle. Call Bloom.
Get out of the way! Oh, no. Somebody help him!
Sorry?
That just made me at least $7,000. Yeah. This is a nice car, and it's in my favorite color. Go, people. At least I got him to go.
There's gotta be a way through this. Damien's all ego. He needs this victory. I'll give it to him. Find that second hacker and you'll let Nikki go. Do I believe that? Doesn't matter. Right now I got no other options.
Excuse me.
Just had to borrow some of her money. Wrong way.
Son of a bitch. Fucking Marla job. Alright, Damien. Let's see if there's something you missed. Right there. Damn it.
What the? Hey, it's me. You called me here.
Shit. I have a lot on my mind.
Yeah?
Okay, come here, take a look at this.
Who is she?
I don't know, the file's corrupt. You have any ideas how to make the video play?
This isn't fixable. You need the original.
I'm running a search on your CTOS access.
That's what I wanted to talk to you about.
See, I don't think he knows about this. He would have bragged, I know him.
Who would have bragged?
She might be a lead. Or not. I gotta stay a step ahead of him.
Are you in trouble? An IP address.
Yeah, he gave that to me. Can you find where that leads?
What is all of this? Aiden, answer me. I'm not doing anything until...
He took her, Clara. He's using my sister as collateral.
Oh my god. The man we traced?
Yeah. Damien Brinks.
I can't help you. I'm gonna go. We'll talk later, right? After you're done.
Shh.